According to a report in People, Osborne experienced 20 hiccups every minute he was awake, totaling a mind-boggling 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. There is a Guinness World Record for the longest hiccup attack, and it was held by Charles Osborne. He hiccuped continuously for 68 years, from 1922 to 1990. The doctor, Terence Anthony, believed that when Charles fell, he destroyed a small area in his brain that would have inhibited his hiccup response. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.